Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a full face of Ipsy products. This is one of the videos that was in the 4-way tie on Twitter when I did a Twitter poll. So I figured I would just do this one first. I have been getting Ipsy since December of 2016, and then I got it straight through other than February of 2017. It was the only one I haven't gotten since I started in December of 2016. So with that being said, I've gotten quite a few products. I think I have enough. I think I have everything for a full face but like a setting powder. And this won't include all Ipsy brushes, but if it is a brush I got from Ipsy, I will like say something about that. But I think I'm going to start off with my eyes, just so that way, in case, because I have a loose pigment and in case it goes everywhere, I want to do that first. To set, like, to prime my lids, I use this Aurora X Ipsy concealer, and this is in the shade Balmy Beige, and it's cruelty free. And then I set it down with just a setting powder. So I think to start off, because I think all of the eyeshadows I have are shimmer shadows, I think I'm going to go in with this Ciate London bronzer and Bamboo bronzer. I think I'm just going to go in with this first for my transition shade. Alright, and then I'm going to take this Pacifica Island Life palette, and I think I'm going to take the deep brown shade and blend that on my outer corner. And that first brush I used, this that I did my transition shade with, I did get in an Ipsy bag. This one I did not. And then I'm going to go into this pigment, and this is a Naked Cosmetics pigment, and it is in the shade Mother Nature. I've never used a just a loose pigment eyeshadow, so I'm a little nervous. just going to kind of blend the edges on this. But yeah, I think the eye look turned out pretty good. But as far as shades on like the CC cream I have, I don't know if shade wise everything is the correct shade. So we'll just have to see. So now that I'm on to actual face makeup, I'm going to take a tiny bit of the Benefit Professional, which I don't think I got in an Ipsy bag. I think I got this sample somewhere else, but I'm going to use just a hair of it on like, you know, areas that have quite a bit more pores. And then I'm going to go in with the Smashbox Photo Finish Radiance Primer. And then for foundation, I'm going to go in with the It Cosmetics Your Skin Butter CC Cream, and this is in the shade Light. Now I'm blending this out with a beauty blender. So on camera, it doesn't look so bad, but in real life, it's very, very dark and very not my shade. But it could be quite a bit worse. But it doesn't give very much coverage, but it's not bad. And the scent, it almost smells like lemony. So then for concealer, I have two different concealers that I could use. I have the Hey Honey Trick and Treat concealer. This is in a natural tone, and then I have what I use to set down my eyelids. I think that this will be better because I think that this is a little dark. Oh yeah. Yeah, that one's a little dark. And that CC cream is very, very dewy. was very hard to blend. Like, I had to like really go in and rub at some places to get that concealer to set. So I'm just gonna go in with a powder. Alright. And now for blush, I'm gonna go in with the Lychee and Gold Rose Gold blush. Actually, first I'm gonna go in with the Ciate Linden bronzer in Bamboo Bronzer. And this is a brush I got from Ipsy. And now I'm going to go in with the Rose Gold bronzer and Rose Gold blush. And for highlight, I have this Manna Kadar, this bronzer highlight duo, and I'm going to take the highlight shade, and this highlight brush I did get from an Ipsy bag. Right, and the final step is I'm going to take this Lime Crime Diamond Crushers in the shade Lit. Alright, so that is it for the final look using a full face of Ipsy. It definitely turned out a lot better than I thought it would. Really my biggest issue was that my foundation, like the CC cream, was kind of a little dark, but it could have been a lot worse. I like this lip, I just don't know how much I'd wear it. But I really like the way the eyes turned out. So, if you like what you saw and you want to subscribe to my channel, there will be a little circle over here with my face on it. You can click on it to subscribe. Or if you want to watch my most recent video, there will be a box over here. You can click on and watch those. Or if you want to watch my Ipsy unbaggings, I'll put a box up here with those where you can watch them too. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.